WordPress course outline. WordPress dashboard plus difference between blog and website. Difference between blog and website. A blog is an online platform where individuals or organizations share written content on various topics. These entries, known as posts, can cover a wide range of subjects such as personal experiences, opinions, tutorials, news, or niche interests. Blogs typically allow for reader interaction through comments, fostering a sense of community and discussion. They serve as a versatile medium for expressing ideas, sharing knowledge, and engaging with a broader audience on the internet. A website is a collection of interconnected web pages hosted on the internet, accessible through a specific domain name. It can serve multiple purposes, ranging from providing information and services to offering entertainment and facilitating e-commerce. Websites are designed with various elements such as text, images, videos, and interactive features to engage users and deliver content effectively. They can be created by individuals, businesses, organizations, or governments to establish an online presence and reach a global audience. Introduction to WordPress dashboard. Here you can get updates related to WordPress or plugins. This is post sections where you can see all posts, add new posts and categories and tags. This is media section, where you can see library and add new media file. This is pages section where you can see all pages and add new page. Here you can see comments. This is a appearance section where you can see multiple options. This is plugin section where you can install or see plugins. This is users section, where you can see all users add new user and profile. This is tools section where you can see multiple options. This is settings sections